To create a connection to your MongoDB database, you can use our native connector. Navigate to the Connections Explorer through the main menu. Click the Add New button and search for the connector to set up the connection with your MongoDB credentials. Click Test Connection to verify the connection is correctly set up. You're done already. Now you can query your database directly through the connection. Navigate to the Tables Explorer and click Add New. Choose the connection that you just created. In the Query tab, write your query in Mongo's query language MQL. Preview the data and hit Save to load your data in the table. You can now use it in data flows, data streams, dashboards, reports, and all other modules of ClicData.